Welcome to another short fact video. What if Earth hit the brakes right now? Here's how the planet and you would feel it. The first impact would be air turns supersonic. The ground stops, but the atmosphere keeps racing east at 1,600 kilometers an hour, shredding everything in planet-wide windstorm. Another impact would be the mega tsunamis sweep the coasts. Oceans keep their momentum, piling up into walls of water that swallow continents before sloshing back. Another impact would be 6-month days and nights. With no 24-hour spin, one side bakes in unbroken sunlight while the other freezes in darkness. Each day now lasts half a year. The next impact would be equator dries up, poles become super oceans. Centrifugal bulge disappears, water flows toward the poles, flooding them. The equator rises, forming a giant desert megacontinent. The next impact would be faltering of magnetic fields. Stopping the core's dynamo weakens Earth's shield. Cosmic radiation bombards the surface, spiking cancer rates and knocking out power grids. Last but not the least, stopping of the Earth's spin would lead to mass extinctions and new survivors. Extreme heat, cold, radiation, and oxygen shifts would wipe out most life. But hardy microbes and deep-sea creatures cling on, seeding a weirder future biosphere. That's it for today's fun fact. Luckily, Earth keeps spinning. For now, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting facts.